Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install a typical lower ball joint. But this lower ball joint, I think I'm going to use this special tool. It looks to me like a tie rod end puller. It's got teeth that go on the ridge, and then you tighten this and it pulls it out.
Make sure your life is easier during what can be a tenuous time. August 16th. No passing fun. You have just a couple of days left to get ready. That's right, 50% off with a minimum.
This is actually a Pitman arm puller, but this is the type of tool that they want you to use. Gonna need some leverage. Look at that. That's nice. Now I gotta take these bolts off. Okay, so I'm just taking my punch, and I'm gonna punch on the top of that ball joint. There we go. Woo! She was stuck on there, baby. Baby. Stuck on there. Woo! And this does need to be torqued.
Lots of excuses for putting off life insurance, but if you weren't there, or pay your mortgage, get other bills. With Ethos, you can be covered in 10 minutes. Ethos, fast and easy online term life insurance. Up to $2 million in coverage with no medical exam. Some policies as low as $10 a month. Answer a few health questions and get
Rattrap Productions. We show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to remove and install a typical lower ball joint.